another video. I decided to make a little tutorial on how to make these cute little bows with rubber bands attached to them. You can do whatever rubber band or, whatever ribbon you want. And this does not need a hot glue or anything that those annoying other ones need. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to make it. What you're going to need for this is a fork, scissors, a ribbon of your choice, and a rubber band. So what you need is your fork, and you also need a pencil. I forgot about that. So what you need is I'm going to try to find a better camera spot. Okay, 1 second. Okay. So what you're going to do is you're gonna take the fork, put the pencil around it, and you're gonna put the rubber band on like this around the pencil. So now that you've done that, you need your ribbon, and you need to wind it around, and you need to put this through the pencil right there, and you need to slip it through here.
What?
Okay.
Bee syrup?
Baby Sarah.
Baby syrup, yeah. I ate baby syrup once. I was really hungry and I didn't have food. There was baby syrup. I had honey. So I just put honey all over the doll and I ate it. Well, I was hungry though, baby.
And then you're going to want to pull it down like this. And then you're going to want to tie these.
Did you notice the mouse pad we found?
Yes, that was mine.
That was yours?
Yeah, the dog one. You want to double knot it. So do it. No, I don't, Dad. So like this, then you're going to want to take out the pencil, and then you're going to want to slide the bow off, and you have a bow. Wait a minute. What? I messed it up. It's not supposed to look like this. It's supposed to look like this, but hopefully how you do it, you just need to do it really tight. I guess I didn't do it right, but yeah, it should work for you, and it should fit on like this. After that, you just need to trim it to like here. And you don't have to do the rubber band. You just repeat the steps without the pencil and the rubber band. Focus. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that tutorial on how to make this bow. I hope it worked for you and it didn't turn out like
enjoy tutorials.
and it didn't turn out like a fail or a flop. And then it turned out well, and so yeah. See you next time, and I will be doing a video on my Christmas gifts.